Hello students, now we are going to study the next exercise of your course. One more. Hello students, now we are going to study the next exercise of your course of extension 122, exercise number 7, that is preparation of effective PowerPoint presentation. How to prepare a PowerPoint presentation for your better presentation. In future, you need this kind of presentation, this kind of practical for you. So for preparing a PowerPoint presentation, which steps are there or what you need to do while preparation of PowerPoint? So that we are going to see or study in this practical. So use of PowerPoint slide to create electronic slide show that can liven up the most authentic crowd. Authentic crowd म्हणजे जो निरुत्साही crowd आहे, not interested people if they are in a audience, we can make them interesting a presentation with the help of this PowerPoint. Okay. Also with the PowerPoint, you can create a presentation that run automatically. असं पण presentation आपण करू शकतो की that we can run automatically for the people. Now, first of all, we will see there are different views in a PowerPoint. First one is the outline view. Now, if you see, here is the outline view. What it says, an outline view presentation, you can see the contents of several slides at once in outline and edit as you would in a Word. That means you can see whatever the content is there in each slide. You can edit that content in outline. तर तुम्ही ह्या कंटेंट मध्ये कुठल्याही स्लाइडच्या कंटेंट मध्ये चेंजेस करू शकता. Okay, so that is the outline view of PowerPoint. Now another view is there, slide view. So on a task bar, here is the view option. Here are different views are there, but here slide view is there. So slide view is here. This is the outline view. Here is the slide view. So what slide view says? It lets you to work with the slide on one at a time. At time you can work on a particular slide. You can edit text on place object or on slides and immediately see the impact of your changes and condition. म्हणजे तुम्ही एखादा ऑब्जेक्ट टाकू शकता, एखादा टायपिंग करू शकता and immediately you can able to see that particular slides. That is the slide view. The next view is the slide sorter view. Now here is the slide sorter view. If you click on that slide sorter, you will see like that all the slides. Okay. So allow you to see the screen full of slide at once time. You can swap slide, delete slide, add special effect. You can edit text or place an object in this view. So you can make a changes in the slide. You can reshuffle the slide. You can make a changes in the slide. Here you can see the slide number 12. I will change to the 30. So that changes I can able to do in a slide sorter view. Yeah. Then slide sorter. The next view is the note page view. Now here, the note page view. So in note page view, what you are able to do, just first of all we'll see. So you can add a speaker notes containing more detailed information to your slides. The drawing toolbar open automatically in the slide and note page view. That means in note page view, you can add here the text. For example, I will write something here. You can write that one. And in a slide views, see here, you are able to see that data which you have typed. Previously it was not there. See, previously it was not there. Here. Here the note can be added in that particular slide. Note page. The slide show you. Now slide show views. This view shows you how a slide will look in full screen mode. Full screen or slide this. In this view, you can navigate a previous and next slide. So here is the slide show you if you are click. So you can navigate that. You can go to the next slide, you can go to the back slide. Okay, so that is the slide sort of slideshow views. So these are the different views in a PowerPoint. Now, how to create a PowerPoint? Steps to create PowerPoint presentation. So moving, copying, and deleting the slide in a sorter views. That means you can move the slide, you can delete the slide, you can edit the slide. Adding note in a note page view. You can add a note that I have shown to you here. You can add a note in note page view. Applying design to presentation. Now here is a one presentation, or in this presentation also you can apply the design. So in design options, number of presentations are there. So like this way you can able to change the design of the presentation. Yeah. Then inserting slides from other presentation. दुसऱ्या presentation slide आपण ह्याच्यामध्ये add करू शकतो. For example, suppose I am going to make a couple of slide. Okay. Now here is one blank presentation is there I have opened here. So here you can insert the slide of other presentation. Okay. Inserting slide, then applying color scheme. So here is a color option is there. Or here you can apply any color scheme, any color code to these slides. Then customize the background. Likewise, I have told you this one is the background. You can customize it, and for color scheme, I think this one is there. If you select this one, you can change the color. See, you can change the color like this one. Then replacing font in presentation, you can change the font size on the home page. It is possible. You can add any font color, any font size. So it is going to change. Okay. So likewise, that you can change the color, change the font. Then adding clip art to the slide. Here you can see the clip art, how to add it. Here you can insert new slide. Here is the clip art option. By clicking on this clip art, you can add any picture here. Okay, likewise that you can make a clip art. Then adding or changing the transition. Transition is speed of transition. On this slide you can see here is the animation transition speed is there. This one slow. To here slideshow. So speed of that slide we can able to change. Here is the preview. So slow speed is like it is a fast one. Now if you change the speed, in preview you can see that is the transition of slide. Okay. Then adding custom animation effect to slide. Animation effect you can able to add here. I added the animation effect here in this slide. So here is the animation. In animation views, you can find custom animation. So like this way, you can make a changes. So this is the blind one. So you can have a preview. Blind effect is there. If you are going to change it, fly out, for example. Now this is the fly out. So animation you can able to add like this way. Then next one, rehearsing slide time. That means timing you can adjust. Then setting up slideshow. That is slideshow you can make begin at what speed it should be, and saving the presentation for the another computer. Then you can able to save the presentation. So these are the steps which you need to do while preparation of the PowerPoint presentation. Now the next one, Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So in Microsoft Office, one group presentation package for application is present, which is known as Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. In Microsoft, three things are there: Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. So that PowerPoint is there. This application allows you to create the slides and arrange the slideshow. So how it is going to be added? So first of all, you have to click on a start option to load the PowerPoint program. So here is the start option. You have to click on it. Then here is the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So after clicking, you will find out these options are there. Then you will get a dialog box with four options. Add to content wizard, the dialog box are there. Add to content template, blank presentation, open existing presentation. Okay. So here is the that options you will find. In a new, you will find that options. So templates are there. Sorry. So templates like this, automatically the presentation will have this kind of templates. See, automatically you will get PowerPoint presentations prepared. Just you have to read this template. So these are the views which we can find here. Template ready-made presentations are there. Then blank presentation, create a blank presentation. You just have to click on new option and blank enter send presentation. So blank presentation, if you are going to create it, it will remove all the data. Okay. So these are the ways or open existing presentation. So presentation which you already present there that you can open and edit that. So these four options are there in MS Office. After clicking on this start button, PowerPoint will be there. You have to click on PowerPoint and you will get this kind of presentations. Now how to create a blank presentation? Select blank presentation option. Okay, select layout. Now here is a blank presentations we have selected. This one, new. Okay, create. Now what we have to do in a blank presentation, select layout, edit text, apply design. So this is a blank presentation. We have to select the layout. Here is the layout. We have to select any layout. Okay, then what we have to do, Edit the text, apply design. You can change the text here. Like this, we can add the text. Also, we can apply the design. So in design, if you click, you will get the different kind of design you will get here. Then give color effect, give animation effect. That color effect I have told you. This here you can background color you can able to change. Like this one. You can change the color. You can change the font also. Like this you can change the font. The animation effect, that in animation you can able to make a. Then give transition effect. So these are the animation effect. Here is the animation. Custom animation is there. For example, we add some data. So add effect is there. Entrance, diamond, like this way. Animation we can able to give. The transition effect we can able to give fast, for example. The transition of slide is there, that is so that effect we can able to make and preview the slide, so that here is the auto preview option is there. So where you can preview the slide, here is the auto preview option. Play the slideshow. You can see the slideshow here. First slide. Preview slideshow is there. So like this we can see the presentation. Now also you can able to insert the sound in that presentation. Here is the option to insert the sound. In insert, you can have also this one in the option sound. Clicking this, you can find out the sound here. You can check automatically. I have inserted sound, so you can, I think it will be play now. See, and this you can insert the sound in the PowerPoint presentation. Then also you can able to insert video. If you make a play, you can insert the movie, or from your desktop you can add the movie in the PowerPoint presentation. So sound, image, video, animation you can do in a presentation. So like this way, you have to create the blank presentation. Steps are there in Microsoft Office. Different steps are there with which you can able to make a presentation. Okay, so that is all about the practical of how to prepare the PowerPoint presentation. Now basically right now I'm going to show you how to create the presentation. Okay. So first of all, after opening the PowerPoint presentation, you have to click on new option. Here you have to click on this so that you can give the title, subtitle to the PowerPoint. Then here, after right clicking, you can add the new slide here. You can write down here the titles and the options for that particular slide. Then again, new slide you can add. You can add here the graphs, columns. Like this way, you can add the presentation. You can save the presentation. Like this way, you have to create the. Also, you can add here the new slide. You can add here the pictures, graphs, any graph you can add here. For adding graph, you need a table. So like this table will be open. So like this way the graph will be there. So different ways are there. With the help of that, you can able to make a presentation. Okay, thank you.